Intro music, upbeat. Narrator, the humble toilet, a fixture in our lives for centuries. But is this bathroom staple about to be flushed away by the tide of technology? Today, we're diving into the world of smart toilets and exploring whether they really are the future of our bathrooms. Narrator, imagine a toilet that knows exactly what you need before you even sit down. Smart toilets are here, and they're packed with features that make traditional toilets seem, well, ancient. Narrator, first up, let's talk about sensor technology. Smart toilets are equipped with sensors that handle flushing, seat heating and cooling, and adjusting water temperature, all without you lifting a finger. This means fewer germs, less contact, and a much cleaner experience overall. Narrator. But it doesn't stop there. These high-tech loos can even monitor your health. Advanced sensors analyze your urine and stool for early signs of diseases, potentially alerting you to health issues before you even notice them. A study highlighted on science.org points out that this could revolutionize our approach to personal health. Narrator. You'll also find smart toilets making their way into public spaces like airports, malls, and stadiums. In these high-traffic areas, they not only improve hygiene but also reduce water consumption significantly. Narrator. And there's more AI integration. Smart toilets are now incorporating artificial intelligence and machine learning. Imagine a toilet that adjusts its settings based on your preferences, or one that predicts when maintenance is needed. It's not science fiction, it's happening now. Narrator. The market for smart toilets is booming, with projections suggesting it'll surpass $5 billion by 2026. It's clear that consumer demand is on the rise. Narrator. So, will smart toilets replace traditional ones? They might not make your old loo obsolete overnight, but the future of sanitation is undoubtedly smart. Hygiene, health monitoring, sustainability, and personalized comfort all rolled into one. Narrator, smart toilets are not just a futuristic fantasy, they are rapidly becoming a reality. While traditional toilets may not disappear entirely, the future of sanitation is undoubtedly smart. Outro music, upbeat. Narrator. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology.